Hello everybody and welcome back to my video. So in today's video I'm gonna be playing some Diamond SMP PvP on catpvp. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Nothing too crazy. This is the actual third time I'm recording this video. I don't know why it takes me this much time to record videos nowadays. I don't know why. Like there's always just one problem when I try to record them, like at least the first 2 times. So well, at least the last snapshot video I made wasn't that bad, but yeah. Anyway, let's get right into it. Now, I'm just gonna be, like, doing random queues like this. Nothing too crazy. But, yeah, I'm playing on catpvp today. Now, to start off with, what I kind of do at the start of Diamond SMP rounds is I craft pressure plates like this. And I drain my own water like that. So, I can have 1 empty bucket so I can drain the other person. This, I can, like, easily just put one, like, put up pressure plates so they can't place any more webs. So, it's very good. Like that, like where I could have put it, but like I don't have enough time. So yeah, I'm just gonna be playing Diamond SMP. And I just want to mention, first of all, I'm not too good at Diamond SMP, so don't expect any good gameplay today. Unless I'm fighting against bad players, like this dude, he's not the best. But yeah, that's kind of my, like, Diamond SMP PvP. Also, if you guys want me to play any other kits, I would recommend suggesting them in the comments, because I always look through the comments, so if you want me to play any specific kits, I will play them. I also have made a new text pack for myself, because the old one that I used in like my last video, the mace one, well, my last PvP video, and in my snapshot videos too, but you don't really see it there. I have gotten I've changed it up a bit. Like I got rid of all the custom like red textures and all that because yeah, I felt like I just had too many, and I kind of made it a bit more simple. For example, I took these smoother block textures. Like if you look at the ground and trees and stuff, when I get near trees, you can see that there's just smoother block textures, which honestly I think they look pretty cool. I don't know. So I also took this main idea of a white entranglement from him, although I got a better one because his white entranglement texture is kind of bad in my opinion. So yeah, but yeah, W text pack from Mr. Ordinary, I can't lie. Like, what is this dude doing? Also, if you guys want me to play with hitboxes off more, just tell me in the comments too, because I know they kind of make the, like, they look a bit weirder because there's just hitboxes everywhere. But I don't think it affects most people, because I'm just kind of, I instinctively use them for mace, so I kind of just always keep them on. So yeah, that's kind of my hitboxes stuff. So he just left? Okay, that's lame. Okay, yeah, sure, we can fight someone else then. Yeah, so as I already mentioned, the stuff that I do, I craft brush plates and all that. Let me just do that real quick. And train. Okay, there we go. Gap up slowly. Okay. What is this dude doing? I can see shift so much, damn. I don't know. Just crouching. I'm gonna try to do more commentary on these videos, but like, I don't really know what to say. Because I don't really know what to say, and like the reason I don't typically do this much commentary is because like I feel like I just gotta focus on the gameplay, you know? Seems to be around my skill level. Yeah. Maybe a little better or something, I don't know. I've already mentioned I'm not too good at this. Here we go. don't really know what to say to commentate, man. If you guys want me to make like text pack videos, just tell me. Although I don't know like if I can release my text pack using like the new text pack from the store maybe, because I don't know if they're his or not, but I just don't want to get involved in stuff like that, like stealing his stuff. So like probably won't include that in the text pack if I make a video on my text pack. Cooking me up. Oh yeah. Also something else I forgot to mention is basically I think I'm gonna do 3 rounds of PvP every time I make a video, unless like one of the rounds is short. I'll do like 4 or something, or like if 2 of the rounds are short, I'll do 5. You get the idea. And oh, what else was I gonna say? I'm not gonna use XP because I don't want the rounds to last too long, so I can like move on to the next round and stuff. Good idea. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing in the videos, PvP videos. I do want to make a video on like every like at least main PvP kit, and I've already done SMP and Mace. Diamond SMP is a sub tier kit though, so like it's not really part of that, but yeah, I'm probably gonna make a video on every main tier. Now, I don't mainly play Diamond SMP. Now, this is just kind of a video for fun. I just like playing Diamond SMP sometimes for fun. Not something I want to tier test in or anything like that. But there are other kits that I probably will want to tier test in and just get good at and stuff. I can also do custom kits. That's another thing I can do. I have a pretty interesting custom kit that I made, which is called like Chain Trident or something. Easily web but yeah. Also something else, I cannot actually hear the sound from the game, only you guys can, because I turned it off, so it does, my PC doesn't do like double sounds or whatever. And also my PC, so like the video doesn't have sound happening twice at the same time or something, because it makes it sound a little worse and stuff. So I just kind of turned off my speakers for this video. Now obviously I can also use headphones, but I'm just not using them right now, so. Also, I don't tend to edit my videos because I'm not too good at it, and like editing takes very long, so I can't upload my videos really fast how I usually want to. Although I can like start doing editing if you guys want me to. In fact, I know you guys probably want me to. So, in fact, I have a pretty cool video planned, although I don't know when I'm gonna end up releasing it. I hope I end up releasing it at the very least, but yeah, it's a pretty cool video. You guys probably gonna like it. Definitely better than any videos I've made before, at the very least. Like, I don't know if I'll edit this video. I mean, possibly, I don't know though. Maybe I'll edit this video. Who knows? I mean, you guys will be watching like the finished result of the video anyway. I should have aggro pulled though. I cannot lie, bro. This dude's XPing. Okay. GG's, I guess. This dude, I just caught this guy with his armor off for XPing. I don't tend to do that because people can just kill you easily like that, but like, I mean, he was doing it, so. I just caught him while doing that. Okay, that's GG. What? Okay, what am I doing? Holy crap, bro. Holy crap, like, can you not? Okay. I'm kind of like... Now I'm getting put out already. Like, bro. Like, bro, can I just, like... Oh my god. Yeah, this is what leads me to assume most people don't craft pressure plates and stuff like that, because they just jump you off the badge without taking any time to do anything. You know? That's why I can't turn it off. If you guys also want me to like show you all my keybinds and mods like that and stuff like that, I will. You comment down below. This dude's really good, but like I don't get why he doesn't make pressure plates and stuff like that then. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, that's GG. I'm not really gonna count that as a short match because the first match was kind of long and stuff. I'll do one more round for the video. It just has to be someone I haven't fought before in it. Yeah, I haven't fought this guy before. In this video at least. But like I haven't fought this guy at all, so. Like man, bro. Like can I just, oh my god. Like these dudes just give you no time because they don't do it themselves, I don't think. I'm sure they probably don't. It's not, I mean, it should, I feel like it is a common strategy, but just a lot of people still don't do it. Probably because it wastes a bit of time and it's not usually useful. Like craft fresh plates and all that. I didn't even drink my own water yet. Yeah. Like, can I drain that real quick? Yeah, thanks. Okay, that's good. Like, this dude's only good at webbing and like fighting, but like I'm good at a lot more stuff to do with this, but not as good as him at those specific stuff. I'm saying a Diamond SMP, bro. In fact, maybe it's better to just be good at the stuff he is good at. Because it's clearly doing him an advantage. He's clearly winning. Maybe it landed, but I just walked into the exact same area where it landed as well. Oh my. I'm dead. Okay, GG. I'll do one more round because that was a short round. Okay. If you guys have any like tips for me to improve, please tell me them down below, because as I've mentioned this already like twice, I'm not too good at this kit. I'm probably just not even gonna use that this round, so I'll probably just lock in already. I haven't fought this dude before, but he clearly only seemed to cross planks anyway, so maybe that's just a strat, because I never actually get to use the press brace. Like, I've only ever gotten to use press brace like that once or twice, I don't know. So in terms of clients, I definitely recommend you guys using Luna for FPS. It's definitely better, or at least for me. I don't know, maybe it changes for different people. I don't think it does though. Wait, this is so dumb. Like, I could have just broken out of that the entire time. See, that's why you cross press plates. He could have actually used the press plate in that situation, and it would have been useful. Find that, at the very least. Okay, how is... Okay. Freaking spam webs, bro. I'm actually... I don't know what's up with this guy, but he's just like so much better than everyone else I fought today, and I'm dead. Pull away, pull away, pull away, pull away. Oh! That was so freaking close. Oh my god. Like, this... Like, oh my god! Get so annoyed, bro. this is the most annoying dude I fought today. I don't know why. He just is. He's so aggro. Like, bro, like, no, I swear I'm gonna crash out, bro. Like, how does he just web me like that, bro? This dude's just too good, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I am not good, but, like, I feel like this dude's also very good. I'm opening the stupid GY at the worst possible time. Like, oh my god. Let me get my totem ready already, because I don't think I'm surviving long against this dude. And I'm dead, okay. I'm gonna repeat it again, I'm not using XP for the sake of the video, not lasting too long. Okay. GG. Okay. Yeah, that was a good round. Yeah, that was a good video, I'd say. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Also, remember, like, comment down suggestions for, like, what game mode that you play and stuff like that down below. I'd be very happy to, like, hear some suggestions. So, yeah, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.